Today, we're going to guide you through the process of becoming a marketplace seller. For verified creators with eligible plans, selling content on the marketplace is a straightforward process. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Verified Profile section on the homepage and click on Add Content. The Verified Profile page will appear. At the top of the page, locate the Marketplace section and click on Sign Up as a Seller. Here you'll enter your PayPal and address information and agree to the terms and conditions. After signing up, the options to create a course or add courses you've already created will be highlighted. Once you're ready, the Submit Your Course box will become active. Click on it to select your course for submission. If your course includes private content, you'll receive a notification to make this content accessible to the buyers. Proceed by clicking on Add, setting a price for your course, and confirming your rights to use the content. We encourage you to review the payout rates on our website. Finalize the process by clicking on Confirm and Save, after which your course will be under review for approval. You'll receive an email notification once the course is approved. You can monitor the status on the Verified Profile page where you began your application. We're thrilled at the prospect of having you join our community as a marketplace seller. See you soon!